Benefits management is the forgotten child of pretty much every project management methodology, from Prince2 to the APM to the PMI's PMBOK guide. But there is a growing consensus that it is time to put things right. Project managers do need the ability to manage the realization of benefits on our projects. So I have put together a comprehensive course on project benefits management. In it, you'll follow my 7-step benefits management process. You'll learn what you need to do in each of these 7 steps, and you'll get a range of powerful supporting tools, templates, and checklists. And in each lecture, you'll find a comments box. You can use that box to ask me any question about the content of the lecture or how to apply it to your own projects. And I'll be sure to answer within 1 working day, usually even less. And yes, it's me who will answer, not a virtual assistant on Fiverr.com. So you're not just getting a course, you're getting me as your own coach and mentor as well. Over the course of 18 clear and practical videos, you'll learn the whole process of project benefits management. So you'll be ready to build a benefits-first culture on your next project. I look forward to seeing you on the inside.